Hey, it's Leela from Miss Leela Pink Journey. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching as I share with you how I use the Bobbin Thread Winder for Babylock or Brother 6 to 10 needle multi-needle machines. This is how I wind bobbins when I'm not using a pre-wound bobbin. See how it works. So first thing I got to do is plug in the actual plug. And then I will place one of the bobbins onto the machine. That seems simple enough. And then I will add, this one is 100% polyester 90 weight bobbin thread. I'll add that there. This number is step 1, and then step 2 is right here on the machine. This has step 3 in that hole, and then there's step 4 is here on the machine, then that's step 5. So we're going to follow each of the steps, just simple as placing that in the machine. The first step we'll do is go through the first hole up here, which is step 1. Try to make it where you can see it. And it's telling you in which direction to go. So we're going to go from the back for step 1. And then I'm going to go down to step 2. And when I get down here to step 2, it's telling me that I need to crisscross from left to top to right under. Just like that. And look at my book and make sure I'm doing this right. Yep, I'm going across like that. And then I'm going to go up to number 3. So that's 2, and 3 is up this way. I'm going to go to the front. It's a little bitty pamphlet here that I'm trying to read. And then from the front, I'm going to come down to number 4. And I'm going to wrap it around just a couple of times to number 4. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then I will come, like, you know, this can go down to get ready. And let me cut. Now it's cut. I should just be able to press this button to wind. Should be that simple. Winding very fast. Oh, that was quick. So let's take it off. And we will use this little cutter. And we do have a nicely tight wound bobbin. So I wanted to give you a really quick recap of the numbering system on the machine. So you have here number 1 at the top here. And then when you come down on the machine, you have number 2 there. And this is where you wind the actual thread, and it'll show you the actual direction. And I shared that part. You'll see in the video actually how I wound the thread there. After number 2, you will come up here right to number 3, which is right here on the stand, right across from number 1. And then you're coming back down to number 4. Next to 4 is 5. So number 4 is where you're going to wind thread around, probably maybe 4 times around. And then you'll press this lever down here. Trying to do it with one hand. And this is the button you press, the on button, in order to actually get the actual bobbin to wind. And then you'll start actually doing its thing, and it only takes a minute. It's really very quick, and once it's complete, it will stop on its own. Once the bobbin is finished, it will just stop on its own, and it cuts, and you're ready to go. Simple as that. Very quick process. It doesn't take much time at all, and you can have yourself 4 quick bobbins already nicely wound. Good to go. To roll, and we got to make sure that we know that these are the 90 weight. So what I'm going to do is just keep him there, and then I'll know which thread I actually have already bound. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying my channel, please make sure you subscribe for more videos. I'll be sharing a few videos more on embroidery and other things that I learn. And if you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you have any comments, leave a comment, and I will definitely try to answer as best as I can. Have a great day. Bye now.